Welcome to savemake.com. Action, start, and my successful how-to videos. If you are like me, thrifty, and you try to use your products to the maximum of their life, usable life, as you can see in the family, we have old smartphones, and one of the issues is that the lightning port here, where you have the data and to recharge the batteries, after a while becomes dirty, and it's very, very difficult to get it connected with the cable. So we have also older cables. So as you can see, as a family, we don't throw everything away as soon as it's not working. We are trying to repair. And one of the things that I want to give you as a tip is the possibility to repair. So I found a way. So more and more of my cables were not working anymore, and I was almost at a point where I thought that I would have to go to either a repair shop to change the lightning port, or even perhaps to replace my iPhone. So I went on YouTube, and I can tell you, YouTube is a very good resource if you are trying to repair. So how can I clean the port here? I went on YouTube and I found really something very interesting, which is to use a Q-tip, but the Q-tip, to be able to insert it in the port, you need to hammer it. So let me do that on the side so that I don't break the table. And before doing that, on my wife's iPhone, I tried on mine. I just wanted to make sure that it was working before suggesting to my wife. Mine has already been cleaned, so I am very, very happy with the result, and this is the reason why I want to share that with you, all viewers of savemake.com. So with the hammer here, I hammer it very flat, and then I'm going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Okay, so I need to stay in front of the camera. Here I go. And the thing which is important, so that there is no electrical contact, is that you need to shut down. You need to shut down the iPhone, okay, completely. So I'm going to do that on mine. This one, it's my wife, so I don't know how to shut it down. It's a different version. So mine, okay, I'm going to shut it down first. Okay, so let's shut it down. Okay, well, it seems that I have almost forgotten how to shut it down. Okay, up, so. Okay, power off. I have hammered the Q-tip, and before I insert the Q-tip, with the flashlight, I'm going to look inside to see if there is any visible debris. And if it's the case, with the toothpick, you remove it. But in general, they are not strong debris. It's more skin accumulation, dirt. So what you do, and again, I'm going to re-hammer so that it's really very flat. And you put it inside. Okay, so. Okay, I need to hammer it a little bit more so that I get even the plastic flat. Okay. And then, do you see? And don't go sideways. So you see I think I go long way only, and you push, and you push, and you push. And you are going to see if it's black, dirty or not. Here you still see a little bit of dirt, okay? And then you do the same on the other side. And you wait a little bit for the alcohol to dry. So you wait a few minutes, and when it's dry enough, you repower. Here we go. Then, with the other side of the Q-tip, or even the side that you have used, you clean all the contacts of the cables. Okay? All your cables, you clean them as well. So now it's powering on. Very good. And you heard the noise. So before, this cable was not working anymore. So you see, the point is fix it before you throw it away. You will help build a more sustainable world, and you are also going to save money, which is very important for us, to live below our means. If you need any of the products, there is an affiliate link below the video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, but I can assure you that this technique is working very well. So the Q-tip, the alcohol, the hammer, and a sturdy plate where you can hammer it flat, and it's working. Thank you.